Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Saturday. It's Saturday. We made it through another week. And yeah, so let's talk how my week on keto went. So let's see. I guess I don't have this like crazy introduction this week, but okay, so let's talk about what I did this week. This week I did my intermittent fasting. I have actually been really enjoying intermittent fasting. I feel like psychologically, I feel like I'm doing the damn thing, you know. I have been pretty successful. My eating hours, they vary, but I'm usually done eating the latest 4:30. People think that's like crazy, but I wake up early, I eat early. I usually don't eat that late at night. So that works. And in my head, like if I know, okay, I have to eat, I'm done eating, like it just makes my body work better. I don't know, it's in my head, it works. So I've definitely been sticking to the intermittent fasting. I do use the Zero app. It just kind of is like a countdown thing, and it alarms you when you're reached your set time to start fasting, and it also reminds you to start fasting. So I have been enjoying that. As far as inches wise, I haven't lost any or gained any since last week. I'm doing really great on my workouts. I'm actually in my gym clothes right now because I'm actually going to go to the gym. I'm like going to go to a real gym right now. My mom's off today because it's Saturday, and she has a gym membership, and she's like on a new healthier kick. So she invited me to go with her, and I was like, hell yeah, because you know, that's exciting. I would really love to join a gym, but I'm like really cheap right now, and like we got braces payments going on. We got 8th grade graduation. We got we got life going on. So I'm gonna mooch. I'm gonna mooch off other people's memberships when I can. And when I can, I just work out downstairs. So yeah, I definitely been doing that. Today is going to be day 2 of the leg day. This will be the higher weights and stuff like that, which I'm really excited to do in the gym because, you know, I can really go ham because they have like Smith machines and stuff, and I don't have to worry about hurting myself home alone. Yeah, what else? I have still been following strict keto, you know, doing... Sorry, my mom decides to call me right now. I've been calling her all morning. I have been following strict keto, really watching my macros. I kind of been I followed this like keto group on Facebook for years, and they had kind of gave you like, you're supposed to take your ideal body weight, like your ideal weight, and that's going to be your grams of fat, and then in half will be your grams of protein, and then 20 net carbs. That's the way I've been following. The thing is about keto, which is kind of the thing I hate about keto, is it's not one size fits all. You have to do a lot of tweaking. That's the annoying part. Like, that's the one thing I wish I didn't have to do. I wish I could just have one set of numbers to follow. Eat this, not that. I don't have to like dissect every ingredient. That pisses me off. But I'm going to go ahead and I want to recalculate. So starting Monday, I would really like to kind of knuckle down because I really would like to drop like these last 10 pounds that I want to lose. So right now I'm about 175 pounds. I would like to get down to about 165. That would be really, really great for me. That's what I feel comfortable at. That's where I would like ideally like to be. And I would really like to lose a lot more fat. I really want to see a lot more inches lost. So the best way to do that would be a macro counting. Even if you weren't keto or low carb, macro counting is the way to go for fat loss, flat across the board, okay? You'll eat according to your goals and whatever you do. So yeah, if you guys have any good like macro keto calculators that you guys use that you really feel like they are spot on, I found a couple different ones and they just were all over the board. Yeah, people were telling me I was like obese, and I don't know. I was like, look, this is not working for me right now. So yeah, I would like to get a new calculation going. I'm actually going to take the weekend off of fasting because I found that I was really, really hungry. I really need to watch getting my fats in. Also, I'm going to start incorporating Bulletproof coffee again. I want to start using that as my first meal of the day. So essentially I would have like keto coffee for like breakfast, lunch, and then my dinner would be a meal and start my fasting. I think that'll really kickstart everything, and that will definitely help me get my fats in. I've been struggling lately. If you watch my last full day of eating, my fats and my proteins have been almost the same, and I don't want that, okay? I want, obviously, my fats to be a little bit more. That will also curb hunger. So I'm going to go buy some. I bought the butter yesterday. I need to go buy some MCT oil, and I need to buy like an immersion blender. When I used to do keto coffee, I used to put it in a blender, and if you guys have ever done it, then you will know that it blows up, because you're putting hot stuff in a container and then it just blows up all over the damn place. So I need an immersion blender. So why are they $30, $40, $50? I don't know, but I need to go and like find one. I have a like milk frother. It's not the best. I don't really like it. It kind of sucks. So I really don't know if I need a better milk frother. I mean, how do you guys do it? If you guys do keto coffee, let me know. And what else? What else can I tell you? I'm still living this positive life. Again, let's touch on this. Today, you are going to have an amazing day. Something great is going to happen. You are blessed for the life you have, and I'm so grateful for the joys and blessings I have today in my life, and I hope that today is even better than yesterday. Just say it one time for the people in the back, because I'm telling you right now, in my professional job, I do work in healthcare. I'm a registered respiratory therapist. It is insane. Insane right now. Insane. Flu hit, RSV hit, it is insane. We are like wall-to-wall patients. And I went to work, I worked, 2 days this week, and people were just so angry and just negative. And I'm telling you guys, that is so contagious. And I was just like, look, let's be positive. And people were literally like, are you on drugs? And I was like, no, we just gonna be positive. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spread some positivity. I want you to think, you know what? At the end of the day, we get to go home. These people up in these beds are not coming home. We're a step ahead of everybody else, okay? We got our health, we got a job, we good. So I'm being positive. I'm really just, I feel like such like a breath air. I feel like a new person. So I hope I could spread that to you guys as well. I always thought that kind of manifestation, positivity thing was kind of like, people are weird, but I'm all for it. I am going to live my best life, and I'm going to envision the better life that I want, and I'm going to get it. It's my year. It's for me. Law and Order's playing in the background because Law and Order's everything. So that's another thing I wanted to tell you. I did start incorporating a new vitamin into my ritual, and I definitely have seen some really good turnaround. I was getting a lot of Charlie horses in my legs. They were killing me. Like, I was waking up in the middle of the night. I constantly had these knots in my legs, and I just felt like kind of achy. And I was bounded up, and I hate taking any type of like X-Lax or anything like that, because then you just messed up. Yes, I mean, you go and die if you take some X-Lax. It's just your stomach hates you. So I have magnesium on hand. I had the Natural Calm on hand, but I didn't have any potassium, so I was like, oh, it's the potassium. So I picked these up from, I don't think it's either Vitamin World or Vitamin Shop. Not GNC, it's one of the vitamin ones. But this is the Country Life Target Mins. Calcium, magnesium, potassium. So it's 500 milligrams of calcium, 250 of phosphorus, 500 of magnesium, and 99 of potassium. And then you take 2 tablets. So you're getting about 200 milligrams of potassium, 1,000 of magnesium, 500 of phosphorus, and 1,000 of calcium. And I take that. So this is what the bottle looks like. My battery's gonna die. So that's what the bottle looks like. And then I take my, for women under 50, multivitamin, multi-mineral, everyday vitamin. I got these at Target because, Up and Upper End is always on sale. And then I take some biotin. And these are just the ones I got from Costco. So, yeah, so these are the 3 I've been taking. I've been really loving the effects. Yeah, I've been doing really good. I mean, even though I'm not like dropping all these lbs, I'm really struggling with the dropping the lbs, I'm not gonna lie. But my time's coming. It's coming. I'm not going to be envious of those who are doing it because they're putting in the work. I'm putting in the work. My time's going to come. So don't let that dismay you. Your time's coming. You're doing the work. You'll get the results. No worries, baby. No worries. All right, I'm also not going to like super edit this video. This is going to be what it is. Yeah, so this week I'm going to start Bulletproof coffee. I am really going to try to narrow down these macros. So please leave those recommendations down below because you guys really help me out with a lot of that stuff. And working out. So hopefully I can get in with either my mom or my dad and go to the gym. That would be really fun. So Mike, Mindy, if you watching, call your baby girl. I like to come with you. Let me just smooch off your membership. Thank you. Thank you so much. If I can't, then I'll just go ahead and work out downstairs. Yeah, I'm still doing the spin bike. I don't think it's a good workout anymore. I mean, it's good for my legs, but I don't sweat. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to have to get a different type of cardio in. I definitely am going to look into maybe switching off my pre-workouts. You guys know I'm always just, you know, giving super hype to Amino Energy. I really love that stuff. Not sponsored. If you guys want it, it's in the Amazon store, link down below. But I really want something to give me an extra pizzazz, as you will. And I had a sample from when I went to this Fit Expo in the summer, and it was the Ion brand as well, but it was just called pre-workout. And let me tell you, I was like, I was going to save the world on that stuff. So I really would like to have some of that too. Yeah, I'm going to need some of that. So if you guys have a good pre-workout, I'm not a fan of C4, so don't suggest C4. I hated that stuff. It really made me feel like I was going to pull my hair out. It tasted bad, and I was just like, I felt my eyelashes growing. It was weird. Let me know. Okay, well, I hope you guys are having a great week. Whatever way of eating you are on, you are killing it. You are doing it. Stay loyal, stay focused. You got it. And I will see you guys on the next video. Let me know all your suggestions and how your week went. Okay, sorry there is no, I did take a picture. I'll insert a picture so you guys can see, you know, beginning to now. You know, we still on course. We still gonna keep going. I'm not doing the scale because I hate the scale. And I'll do it like in a couple weeks. And I didn't do the measurements because I mean, they were just the same. There was nothing to report back to you guys, but I did take a picture. But all right, guys, I will see you on the next video. Have an awesome weekend. Enjoy your time, enjoy your life, and be positive, guys. It's a great life we're living. Okay? Bye, guys.